Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Rahul Singh, and in this video, I'm going to talk about a very important career option in the field of finance, which is a role of investment analyst. Many of you must have heard, if you are into investing, so you might have come across the word investment analyst. If you're into mutual funds, you should definitely know what is a investment analyst. So, if you are interested into investments, markets, and financial decision making, this role can be a great fit. Now, we will explore why this role can be a great fit for you, what are the job responsibilities, job profiling, and what are the skills that you need to be a great investment analyst. So, let us truly understand what is a investment analyst and what he does. So, it is a professional who evaluates investment opportunities and help organizations or clients decide where to invest their money. Their simple goal, the very first goal that they have in their mind, is to maximize their returns while managing the risk. Now, investment analyst can answer such questions. For example, is the company worth investing in? What returns can be expected? What are the risks involved? And how will market condition affect the investment? So, if you have heard about already about investment analyst, you might also have heard about where they work. For example, they work in mutual funds, they work in bank, they work in asset management companies. For example, BlackRock, so one of the biggest firm in investing, and also if you have heard about Berkshire Hathaway, they also work there, and a big financial institution also. Now, what are the key roles and responsibility? So, what does an investment analyst does? So, the first thing that they do is they analyze everything. They analyze the financial statements, company performances, and industry trends. They study stock markets, bonds, mutual funds, and other instruments. Another key responsibility for an investment analyst is to find the right valuation of the company to invest in, where analysts estimate the true value of a company or an asset. So, when they invest in that particular asset or particular company, they can maximize their returns because they know what is the value of that company. So, if you know the value of the company, you can invest and get great returns when its true value is achieved. So, they also monitor the market trends, economic indicators, and global events. Anything that can affect their investing is monitored by them. So, investment analysts prepare investment reports and recommendations for portfolio managers and for their clients. Now, what are the skills that are required in this? The first and the major skill that you should have is a great analytical skill. You should understand how to analyze anything. You don't need, if you want to analyze balance sheet, then you have to read accounts. But a very simple skill, that is analytical skills, are already there in most of the people. If you can analyze a situation and give answer accordingly, then you are already fit for the job, because the knowledge of capital markets, valuation techniques, and risk management is very key and very important, but you can learn them. So the basic skill that you should first have is a great analytical skills. Then comes those technical skills such as financial modelings, Excel, research tools, which are very highly valued in the industry. And attention to details and decision making are also crucial. Now, aside from this, a good communication skills is needed. So, because if you're trying to help the client to get maximum returns, so you should be able to explain them what are your objectives. So, a great communication skills is needed when you're with the client. So, you can explain, you can understand, you can make them understand what is going to happen, what is not going to happen, and how things going to be happen. Now, what are career prospect and what is the growth in this environment of investment analyst? So they have a very strong growth opportunities. They can progress from junior analyst to senior analyst, then portfolio manager. Portfolio manager, you must might have seen in mutual funds. They manage your portfolio. If you give money to the mutual fund, they will manage your portfolio. Then comes investment manager roles. So with experience, if you have a good experience, then you can go to some of the largest institutions such as hedge funds, who works for the rich, and it is hard to get into hedge funds. So if you love money, then yeah, this job role suits you, and if you have a good analytics skills also. Now this role offers a very high earning potentials and a very big global exposure. So, if I have to summarize all of this, which I've told you, an investment analyst plays a critical role in guiding investments, decisions, and managing financial risk. So, it's an exciting career for individual passionate about finance, markets, and analysis. So, in short, if you love the money, you can surely go for this job role. And thank you for watching, guys. And I hope you have a great day. And we will see each other soon.